Nurse practitioner in Franklin has lost his nursing license after he allegedly sent sexually explicit texts to people, specifically mental health patients. The Tennessee Board of Nursing approved a consent order against Rex Sparks, who owned and operated Simple Life Psychiatric Services. Now, the order says Sparks treated patients for anxiety, depression, ADHD, prescribing controlled substances to them. Now, officials say he sent these texts to patients late at night, even one time offering controlled substances to a patient in exchange for nude photos. Under the agreement, Sparks voluntarily surrendered his licenses.